Football's greatest honor, the Ballon d'Or, has been awarded to legends like Messi, Ronaldo, and Zidane. But did you know that some of the game's biggest icons never won it? That's right. No matter how amazing their performances were, they just missed out. Today, we're discussing the top 10 football legends who, despite their brilliance, never lifted the Ballon d'Or. Some names on this list might just surprise you. Before we kick off, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you love football stories like these. Now let's dive in. 1. Paolo Maldini. First up, we have Paolo Maldini, AC Milan's legendary defender. He's one of the greatest defenders ever to play the game. But despite leading Milan to 5 Champions League titles, the Ballon d'Or always went to flashier players. In 1994 and 2003, Maldini had his best chances. Milan was dominating Europe, and Italy reached the World Cup final in '94, but defenders rarely get the spotlight when it comes to the Ballon d'Or. Tough break, right? What do you think? Should defenders get more recognition for the Ballon d'Or? Let me know in the comments. Thierry Henry. Thierry Henry, Arsenal's all-time leading scorer. One of the Premier League's all-time greats. His best shot came in 2003 when he finished second behind Pavel Nedved. And let me tell you, that decision sparked a lot of debate. Arsenal fans were furious. And then in 2004, Henry led Arsenal to an unbeaten season, the famous Invincibles. But still no Ballon d'Or. Crazy, right? Let me know in the comments if you think Henry was robbed of the Ballon d'Or. 3. Andrés Iniesta. Now, here's one that really stings, Andrés Iniesta. The man who scored Spain's winning goal in the 2010 World Cup final. He was the heart of Barcelona's midfield during their golden era, but somehow, no Ballon d'Or. Iniesta finished second to his teammate Lionel Messi in 2010. But come on, how can you score the winning goal in a World Cup final and not win the Ballon d'Or? Do you think Iniesta should have taken home the trophy in 2010? Drop a comment below. 4. Xavi Hernandez. Sticking with Barcelona legends, we've got Xavi Hernandez. The architect of tiki-taka, Xavi never finished higher than third for the Ballon d'Or, despite leading Barcelona and Spain to a whole bunch of trophies. He was key to Barcelona's sextuple in 2009 and Spain's international dominance. But again, Messi was always just ahead of him in the voting. Rough. 5. Robert Lewandowski. This one hurts. Robert Lewandowski was a lock for the 2020 Ballon d'Or after Bayern Munich's treble-winning season. But then, the pandemic hit, and the award was cancelled. Lewandowski didn't get the award. Fans were outraged, and rightly so. Many believed he should have won in 2021 as well, after breaking the Bundesliga goal-scoring record. What do you think? Was Lewandowski robbed? Hit that like button if you think so. 6. Ferenc Puskás. Moving back in time, let's talk about Ferenc Puskás, the man with an award named after him, the Puskás Award for the most beautiful goal. But did you know that Puskás himself never won the Ballon d'Or? He dominated for Real Madrid and Hungary, but players like Alfredo Di Stefano always got the nod ahead of him. He was unlucky to miss out in the late 1950s and early 60s during Hungary's golden era. 7. Kenny Dalglish. Next up, we have Liverpool legend Kenny Dalglish. He was central to Liverpool's dominance in the late 70s and 80s. 3 European Cups, countless league titles, and yet no Ballon d'Or. 1983 was probably his best chance after Liverpool's double-winning season, but he was more of a playmaker than a flashy goal scorer, and that hurt his chances. 8. Gianluigi Buffon. Goalkeepers rarely get the love they deserve, and Gianluigi Buffon is no exception. He came close in 2006 after helping Italy win the World Cup, but finished second to teammate Fabio Cannavaro. He's one of the greatest goalkeepers of all time, but like many before him, goalkeepers often miss out on the Ballon d'Or. 9. Raul Gonzalez. Real Madrid's talisman during their Galactico era, Raul was one of the best finishers in the game. But in 2001, when he was in his prime, the award went to Michael Owen instead. Raul's lack of international success may have hurt him in the voting, but his legacy at Real Madrid is untouchable. 10. Ryan Giggs. And finally, we have Ryan Giggs. He spent his entire career at Manchester United winning every club trophy possible. But Giggs never finished in the top 3 for the Ballon d'Or. His best chance was probably in 1999, during United's historic treble season, but Giggs was always seen as more of a team player rather than an individual star. So, there you have it, 10 incredible football legends who never won the Ballon d'Or, but their impact on the game is undeniable. Do you agree with this list, or do you think we missed someone? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future football stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.